Hi guys, please make sure you support us by subscribing to the channel before we start the video. Mi Mix 4 specifications leaked so far include 6.67-inch OLED FHD Plus screen, Snapdragon 888 Plus processor. Here in the video released by Xiaomi, we get a glimpse of in-display camera. Let's dive in to see the complete spec sheet. It's a 6.67-inch OLED display with 2.5D curved glass. It gives resolutions up to 1080 into 2400 pixels. Also, the display has impressive PPI ratio of 395. When we talk about processor, it comes with Snapdragon 888. It has octa-core processor with 2.84 GHz of power. It comes with Adreno 660. Device comes with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage. It has rear triple camera setup which includes 50 megapixel camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and 48 megapixel telephoto camera. The selfie camera is 32 megapixels. With Snapdragon 888 processor and inbuilt selfie camera, the device looks impressive and would be a flagship phone. We expect pricing to be in around 55,000 rupees. Please comment your queries and do subscribe us if you haven't. Thanks for watching.